Good day all. We will continue with our topic, general arithmetic, understanding numbers. Now we are looking at reciprocals of numbers. I think we are done with standard form. Now, what is a reciprocal of a number is the value obtained by dividing 1 by that number. For example, the reciprocal of 4, that is 1 divided by that number, 1 divided by 4. And the reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2. Now, we are saying if a number is multiplied by a power of 10, its reciprocal is divided by that power of 10. We will demonstrate this. Let's take, for example, I want to get the reciprocal of 0,04. But we know that 0,04 is 4 over 100. Some of the things you must know from your junior high school. So I won't be explaining most of them. I'll just give you as it is. 0,04 is equal to 4 over 100. So what is the reciprocal of 0,04? So we can write the reciprocal of 0,04 is for those who know, I think this is straightforward. It's 100 over 4. But what is 100 over 4 is 25. So the reciprocal of 0,04 is 100 over 4, which is 25. But now, how about the reciprocal of 0,4? We have multiplied that 0,04 by 10. So we are saying if you multiply by 10, then the reciprocal is divided by 10. So the reciprocal of 0,4 is 25 divided by 10, which is 2,5. You can see there on the table. And then we have, even multiply that 0,4 by 10, you get 4. Then the reciprocal is 2,5 divided by 10, which is 0,25. So let's jump into example A, where we want the reciprocal of 2. So it's 1 divided by 2, which is 0,5. But that's not a proper way of writing mathematical. We need to write a statement. Reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 over 2. Then it makes sense. Now, the reciprocal of 0,2 is equal to, we know that 0,2 is 2. That one, again, this is a junior high school. 0,2 is 2 over 10. So, but now we want to try and do it step by step. So reciprocal of 0,2 is 1 over 0,2, which is 1 divided by, what is 0,2? We said 0,2 is 2 over 10. So it's going to be 1 divided by 2 over 10. And then you know that if you are a reciprocal of a fraction, you just invert that fraction. So it becomes 10 over 2. 1 divided by 2 over 10 is equal to 10 over 2. And what is 10 over 2? Is 5. Now let's look at the reciprocal of 2 over 3. So we need to write reciprocal of 2 over 3 is equal to, is the same as what we were doing last time, reciprocal of a fraction in the previous example. So it becomes 3 over 2, or it's 1 over 2 over 3, which is 3 over 2. Then this one, you can see we have got a mixed number that for you to get a reciprocal, convert that mixed number into an improper fraction. And then once you get the fraction, you invert it. This one, I won't finish it. I will just make it your homework. You will get the answer. Just do it on your own. Thank you very much.